Good morning, students. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು change the value from one to another. So in this method, the value of x is found in terms of y, or we can say the value of y is found in terms of x from the equation. Example nodana. X plus 2y is equal to 7. 2x plus y is equal to 4. This is the two equation of two variable they have given. We have to solve this equation by substitution method. Let us see how we do this. We can take any one of these equation. Yavadadru ಒಂದು equation ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Let us take the first equation. Let us take this equation. That is x plus 2y is equal to 7. So let us see what is the value of x here. So then x is equal to 2y plus iradu equals ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 2y. So x is equal to 7 minus 2y. So this is 1, equation 1. We have made the value of x is equal to 7 minus 2y. So let us substitute this value to another equation. Let us substitute the equation with x is equal to 7 minus 2x. Second equation ಏನು? 2x minus y is equal to 4. So ಈ x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 7 minus 2y ನ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2 into 7 minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 4. 2 into 7 is 14. 2 into 2 is 4y minus y is equal to 4. We'll keep these two as it is. So 14 minus 4y minus y is equal to 4. Minus 4y minus 4y will become minus 5y. This 14 I am taking it to the right side of the equals. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 minus 14. So here minus 5 is equal to 4 minus 14. Therefore y minus y is equal to minus 10. Then y is equal to minus 10 over minus 5. So we have cancelled this minus. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. So what is the value of y? It is 2. Let us find out the value of x by taking first equation. X plus 2y is equal to 7. We'll substitute the value of y here. X plus 2 into y value we know it is 2 is equal to 7. X plus 2 into 2 is 4 is equal to 7. X is equal to ಈ 4 ನ right side ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 7 minus 4. So what is the value of x? It is 3. So here we got the value of x. Let us see, is it correct? So ಇದನ್ನ cross verify ಮಾಡೋಣ. x plus 2y is equal to 7. What is the x value? 3. And y value is 2. 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So this particular problem what we have done is correct. Let us see one more problem here. This is 4x minus y is equal to 2 minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Let us take first equation, that is 4x minus y is equal to 2. Then we will find out the value of y. What is the value of y? y na ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು 2 ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4x minus 2 is equal to y. We can say that y is equal to 4x minus 2. Let us substitute the value of y here. What is the value of y? 4x minus 2. So minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Minus 3x na hange idkolana. We don't know the value of x. We know the value of y. 4x minus 2. Idana then we'll expand. 2 into 4 is 8x. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 3x plus 8x minus 4 is equal to 1. Minus 3x minus 8, plus 8x ಆದರೆ 5x is equal to ಈ 4ನ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ minus 4 ಇರೋದು plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 5x is equal to 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is the value of x? X is equal to 5 by 5, that is 1. So again cross verify ಮಾಡೋಣ. What is the equation? 4x minus y is equal to 2. What is the value of x? 1. So 4. What is the value of y? So we don't know the value of y. We have to find out the value of y here. Okay. Y is equal to 2. So minus y is equal to 2 minus 4. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So minus y, this is not 4, this is y, okay. Minus y is equal to minus 2. So therefore value of y is equal to 2. What is the value of y? Is 2. What is the value of x? It is 1. We'll see one more problem with the different numbers. Okay. Solve by substitution method. 2m plus 3n is equal to 8 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 7. Let us take first equation for substitution. 2m plus 3n is equal to 1. 2m is equal to this 3n have taken it here, plus iradu minus agutte. So 8 minus 3n. So let us see what is m. m is equal to 8 minus 3n over 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. What is the value of m? m is equal to 4 minus 3m. Okay, we'll take this value of m and we'll substitute with second equation. Let us take second equation and substitute the value of m by 4 minus 3m. Okay. 3m plus 2n is equal to 7. We have substituted the value of m to 4 minus 3n. So 3 into 4 minus 3n plus 2n is equal to 7. 3 4s are 12. 3 into minus 3n is equal to minus 3n. 2n is equal to 7. We have kept it like that. Hange itkondidini. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 9n plus 2n ಹೋದರೆ minus 7n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. this 12 plus 12ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, minus 12 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ minus 7n is equal to minus 5. What is the value of n? n is equal to minus 5 over minus 7. ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, minus minus, that's why the value of n is 5 by 7. n value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ, that is 5 by 7. Let us see how to find this value m. ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ 5 by 7 ಹಾಕಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. then we'll find out the value of m. For that we have taken first equation. 2m plus 3n is equal to 8. 2m plus 3 n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ 5 by 7. what we got earlier, we have substituted the value here is equal to 8. 2m is equal to 3 into 5 is 15 by 7 is equal to 8. ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಈ 7ನ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ by cross multiplying. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ 1. ಸೊ 1 into 15 15 ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2m plus 15 into 1 15 is equal to 8 into 7. 2m ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ 15 ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ. 8 56 ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15 ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ minus 15 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ m is equal to 41 over 2. that is 2m is equal to 41 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. we'll write down here 2m is equal to 41. therefore m is equal to 41 over 2. we'll cross verify whether it is correct or not. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, That's why we'll cross verify by taking m as 41 by 2, n as 5 by 7. Let us cross verify and we'll see whether it's correct or not. 2m plus 3n. Any equation we can take, first or second. Nan first equation ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2m plus 3n is equal to 8. So we'll substitute m value and n value here. 41 by 2. So 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus 3 into 5 by 7 is equal to 8. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹೋದಾಗ 41. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 into 5 is 15 by 7. So again it's a cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 41 plus 15 is equal to 7 into 8. 41 plus 15 is equal to 56. 41 plus 15 is 56 is equal to 56. So our problem, what we have solved, the value of m and n is correct. Hope you understood. Thank you.